Hi, today I want to restore a Rawhide Mallet that I found at a garage sale. It's pretty gunky and grimy, but it will make a good user once cleaned up. Turn on the subtitles for commentary and enjoy.